everybody. I have this old Casio calculator right here. It is kind of broken. The LCD is damaged, but it still works. If I, make some, it still sort of shows up, as you can see. So if I try to do something, it will still show up on the screen, but it's no use, like I can't do it. So I'm going to find out what happens if you set this thing on fire with this. So just the standard cigarette lighter. I do have a hose just in case if it blows up I can put it out immediately, but I'm gonna see if it survives a lighter. So I'm going to set it on fire just like that. It's gonna be real difficult holding a 2-pound camera while doing this, so just gonna burn the buttons. Hopefully you guys can see that. Oh, did it already shut off? Wait. No, it's still on actually. Maybe it's dark in there, maybe because the solar panels are so damaged, but it's hard to hold the camera, so I'm going to set it on fire. Pause the video, set it on fire, and show you what it's like when it's burning. So it's really tricky to do this. Now guys, the screen is still on and it's on fire. This thing is pretty durable. Let me give it some more, hopefully. Keep burning it. I want to make sure it's fully catching on fire. So here it is. There's a lot of particles emitting from this calculator right here. I'm actually gonna stand back and zoom up on the camera because it might explode on me. So, but the screen is actually still on. If you look closely, it's just kind of dim. Let's see how long it lasts. So. I'm actually going to stand all the way back so that you guys can see. Just gonna change the direction of this so we can see it from a different angle, look more clearly. Holy shit. Oh, I think the LCD just went out. Yeah, it definitely shut off. I'm gonna stand way back just in case if it actually blows up. It's really catching on fire right now. I do have soil. I also have sand, so in case the water doesn't help, I can put it out with with some of the other elements. Probably stand all the way back to the car. It is really on fire right now. Well, it's for my own safety. Sorry if you can't see it, but I'll show you the aftermath once it's actually. I'll just keep videoing. Let's see. I mean, I got the lighter in the mud, so it's not gonna explode. I mean, the lighter isn't gonna really explode. Ooh, you hear that? That's probably the battery. I mean, it is in a tin bucket, so I mean, it's in an aluminum bucket, so it's not gonna melt or anything. Look at all that smoke. Just look at this. But I bet this still burns cleaner than the Volkswagen diesel. I'm pretty sure it still burns cleaner than one of those TDIs. Here you can kind of see, I'll zoom back in. Yeah, it's just really a skeleton now. Back up a little just in case there's a second explosion. So I recommend people don't try this yourself. This is really dangerous. I do not have all the safety equipment. I do also have a fire extinguisher in the garage, just in case, if you can't really put it out. But I think we got the fire pretty much under control right now. It is emitting a lot of smoke. It's like diesel smoke. Just gonna see how well it burns. So even if the water can't put out, I do have mud and soil that will help put it out, so I have all the safety precautions. So, ooh, it's really emitting a lot of smoke here. It is on the first day of November, so I am kind of cold. Even though I'm in a light sweater, it's only about like, I don't know, it's only like 10 degrees right now. And the fire is not really keeping me warm either, so you can see. I did do it while it's turned on, so it did last a few seconds before it really shut off. You know. I think the fire is starting to die down right now, at least. We do have somewhat control of it. And I'll make sure to not only extinguish the fire, but like to wet the ground nearby, if it were to, just in case the fire spreads. But right now it is a really humid day. Like it's supposed to rain tomorrow, so I don't have to really worry about dry grass or anything. It's starting to die down now. At least that's good. I'm actually still standing from like 10 feet away. I just have the camera zoomed up, so I'm not really breathing in all that fume and all that particle. So yeah. I'll actually pause the video. I'll probably cut the video and make sure it finally goes out to show you what it looks like, because right now it's burning really small right now, so it's getting boring. It looks like the fire pretty much gave up now. It's pretty much done. This calculator right here, this is one way to incinerate it, and we'll see what it looks like. I'll give it 5 minutes for it to cool down and see what it looks like then. So it is really dirty, so I'm going to get it out with this stick. And see, here's the skeleton right here. It's all black. It is made of metal. I thought it was plastic, so it didn't really melt or burn. I don't think... And here's the keypad, as you can see. Ooh, look, and here's the battery, I believe. Here, let me zoom in here. Check this out. I think that's the... No, that's the LCD display right there, I think. It's just really much a mess. It's kind of stuck still. I think it just like melted on or something. But anyways, that's pretty much it for this video. I'm going to dump the content out. It's like all black, it's like all carbon or something. Yeah. So it's been like a few minutes. It has cooled down completely. That's the burnt LCD display right there. That's the keypad. Was there something? No, it's just metal contracting since it's cooling down. Again, it is a cold day. And it made their keypad like really brittle. Like you can't even tell that it's a calculator unless, you know, you see the skeleton. So here's the broken here's the LCD display that was not, now it's not only cracked, but it's also, you know, burnt. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys enjoy it, as always. So a final recap, this is what the LCD looks like open up. It didn't even melt because it's made of glass. Yeah, it's kind of like beer bottles. The sound it makes when you tap it. Yeah, you can still see the etching on the display right here. And there's pieces of it. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell.